Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can connect AliExpress to TikTok shop. So first step, you need to search for desserts AliExpress drop shipping. Okay, so you simply need to click here, and once you are on that website you simply need to log in. Okay, so log in into desserts. First you need to create your account, and once your account is created you need to connect your desserts with your TikTok, and after that desserts is connected with AliExpress, so you can easily drop ship with the help of this website on the AliExpress. So after that your TikTok shop is connected with AliExpress. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.